30 seconds until the live stream begins.
A weather alert day has been issued.
I'm Cooter Brock here with Grayson County Weather. This is what the radar is looking like right now around the area. So let me put this into motion for you, and then after that, we'll give you the big picture of what it's doing outside. Well, I don't have any cameras right now, but I can try to get some cameras up for y'all. So this is what it's doing outside. It is snowing outside as I'm looking out my window right now. It is coming down pretty good outside right now. And snow showing up on the radar right now, and that's what you're looking at right now. What we're going to do is transition to the US radar and show you how big the system is as we transition to that and show you that. So that's what that's looking like right now. So as we put this into motion, we got winter storm warning stretching from all the way from Texas all the way up to Maine. That's how that system is, and I'll show you. Let me transition to this. So you guys can tell with this on the website right here. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger for y'all. From Texas all the way up to Maine. That's the winter storm warning right there. So that's how powerful the storm is. But right now, let's take a look at the current temperatures. Current temperatures around the area is in the teens right now. Here in Grayson County, it's 12 degrees. Breckenridge County, you're at 12 degrees. Lebanon and Meade County, Butler County, you're sitting at 14 degrees. Bowling Green, you're at 14 as well. Edison County, you're at 14 as well. So currently it's in the teens around the region right now. That's what we're looking at. So how much snow are we going to get? Well, let me pull up the snow map and show you on this weather alert day coverage. Weather update. So this is from the National Weather Service. This is what they are saying. 8 to 12 inches for the counties in that bright yellow. If you're up north around Louisville in that orange shaded area, 9 to 13 inches of snow. So that's pretty good amount of snow. And yes, the governor did issue a state of emergency. So, just want to let y'all know in case y'all can't travel and stuff, because I know some people work out of town and everything like that, like I do. I work in a different county. So, that's what this is looking like right now. And trying to make sure everything's working good on this live stream as well, because I have not done a live stream in a long time because the system has been messing up. But right now it seems like it's working pretty good. Let's take a look at the ice accumulation map. So we got an update. Half of that has shivered down across Breckenridge County. It looks like you might get a little bit of around 1/10 of an inch of ice around the area. Hardin County, you're in the half and half, and Grayson County, you're in that yellow, so you get from might get 1/10 of an inch. But if you're in the red, you get 1/4 to a half an inch of ice in that area. So this is what that's the storm total ice accumulation for Kentucky right now. But right now, let me go through the weather slides and show you that. I think they have a plow coming up. I hear something outside right now. I'm looking out my window right now to see if a plow or something's coming through the area right now. Or they might be on the parkway. Because I know that roadway is covered up. I'll pull up a picture of that too, because I sent that to Matt Lasley, the person that works for the newspaper. But what I'm going to do is pull up the National Weather Service website and show you the weather slides. Let me put this in motion for you. So this is Winter Storm Key Message. This was updated at 8:30 a.m. this morning. So winter storm warning in effect from now through Monday morning. Major impacts expected. Large snow and ice total will bring major impacts to roadways, utilities, and daily life. Power outages and impassable roads are to be expected. And we are already seeing some power outage on the map right now, and I'll show you that here in a little bit and show you what is happening right now. So large snow and ice totals. Snowfall totals range between 3 to 15 inches across Kentucky and southern Indiana. Freezing rain overnight in southern Kentucky is expected to lead a widespread area of to a half inch of ice with localized amount up to, I don't know how to pronounce that, possible. There are totals subject to change. Storm uncertainty. Storm track has remained fairly similar over the past 24 hours, and confidence in the transition zone between snow, sleet, and icing is increasing. Dangerous cold temperatures. Near or below zero temperatures and wind chill through midweek. If power is out, this will be impactful. What has changed since yesterday? Significant ice accumulation increased across southern Indiana and in southern and eastern Kentucky up to 3/4 of an inch. That's what I meant to say, 3/4 of an inch of ice is possible for south central Kentucky. Winter storm warning. Significant winter storm arrives today. Winter storm warning is now through 7 a.m. Eastern Time Monday. Widespread heavy snowfall and ice is expected. The chance for significant ice accumulation has increased across southern Kentucky. Expect major impacts includes power outages, impassable roads, impact to other utilities, and downed trees. Finish preparation as soon as possible. Expected snowfall amount today through Monday, 8 to 12 inches if you are in that yellow. That does include Breckenridge, Hardin, Meade, Grayson, LaRue, Ohio County, Daviess County, Nelson County, Bullitt County, Jefferson County, you're in the 12 to 18 range right there in that area. So that's what that's looking like around that area if you're in there. Pikeville, you're going to get 3 to 4 inches. I have family, so that's in Pikeville, so that's why I'm making that announcement right now. 6 to 8 inches if you're in Bowling Green, Edison County, Hart County, Campbellsville, Butler County, year and a half, so you might get 8 to 12 inches and 6 to 8 inches. So that's what it's looking like around that area right there. Best case scenario for higher amounts, up to 90% chance of higher snowfall. 90% chance of higher snowfall. You might get 5 inches. Worst case scenario, 10% chance of higher snowfall is 14 inches. I would be going crazy if we get that much snow, because I'll be outside playing in it. So forecast snow to liquid ratio. Snow ratio on Saturday is dry and fluffy. And then snow ratio on Sunday is wet and heavy. Large snow totals and wet heavy snow will be difficult to move or shovel. Use caution when shoveling snow. Take frequent breaks. This is an ice accumulation map. And like I said, it changed too. Timing is right now. It's moving through the area right now as we talk. Ending time is around 12 to 3 a.m. and it says it will exit around. The ending time of when the snow exit our region has been moved later into Sunday night into early Monday morning. Winter storm warning goes until 7 a.m. Monday morning. Dangerous cold temperatures are possible. I'm going to let you all read this because I ain't reading all those numbers. Please pause the video if you want to look at these. But I'm going to give you a couple minutes. Winter storm. What can I do? Prepare your home. Make your home winter weather ready. Buy needed supplies before the storm arrives. Have a plan in case you lose power or unable to leave your home. Prepare your vehicle. Make sure your vehicle is weather ready. Be sure to include safety kit, cold weather gear, and all the necessities you may need to deal with the storm. Monitor the forecast with the latest forecast information as the storm approaches. Monitor your favorite source of weather information. Have a plan. Before the weather threatens, be sure to have a communication plan, change travel plans, and prepare for the impacts for your route. Winter storm planning timeline. During and after. Remain vigilant and stay informed. Drive only if necessary. Check on neighbors and family. Properly ventilate emergency heat sources. Keep generators at least 20 feet from your home. Take it easy while shoveling. And that's all the weather slides right there. As we go back to our live stream, as I said, we was going to take a look at the power outage maps right now. This is a Warren RECC map. Let's show you how many people in the county. There's 30 people in Grayson County right now that are without power right now. Then we'll go to Simpsonville. They got 24 people without power right now. And Warren County you're a little bit of area without power right now. Let's switch to the Nolin map and show you what the Nolin map is looking like right now. So Nolin, you got one total customer out, and it says it will be restored around 6:15 Sunday. But that's how many outages you have right now in your area. That was not supposed to be there. Okay. Well, let's go take a look at the LG&E map now. This is this is the LG&E map right now. If you're in Lexington, there's 27 people without power right now. Well, it said, okay, the summary is there are six events going on. Total estimate with customers without power is 113 right now. So that's what we're looking at right now for LG&E, KU, and ODP in that area. So that's what it's looking like around that area right now. Let's take a look at the Mesonet cameras around the area. So this is it near the Grayson County High School where they do in that area where they do this for hay and everything, I think. This is in Meade County. The grounds is covered right there as well. And this is in Breckenridge County as well. And you got snow on the ground right there. And the snow is still coming down right now. Let's go back and take a look at the Mesonet temperatures because I forgot to show you the wind chill factors. Right now, Grayson County is at 12 degrees. Harding County, you're at 12 degrees. And Breckenridge County, you're at 12 degrees as well. So what I'm going to do is show you the wind chill. So right now with the wind chill here in Grayson County, it feels like 0 degrees. Same for Breckenridge. In Harding County, you're at -1 with the wind chill. -2 down there. But you're going to get those wind chills in the negatives tonight because that's why the National Weather Service issued that cold weather advisory because of the wind chill factor is coming into play with this system coming through the area right now. But that's what it's looking like right now and everything. So let me give you a rundown on everything right now. So this is what the radar is looking like right now. As it comes through, heavy snow coming through the area, and it's still coming like a good snow outside right now. I wish I had a Big Clifty weather cam back up, but I've been having trouble with everything, so that's why I was like done away with the Big Clifty weather cam. So that's why I wanted to try to get my live stream back up and running, and now it is, and I'm proud of that, excited about that because I'll be able to do my shows again. I'll be able to do my weather coverage again and everything else. I'm glad I got this fixed. But other than that, I want to thank y'all for tuning in here. Take a look at the U.S. radar again. So this is what the U.S. radar is looking like. And we put this into motion. It is covering almost the whole state of Kentucky. Oh, it is covered the whole state of Kentucky right now. So it's going to be snowing for a while. Pretty good snow, too. So that's what it's looking like around there and everything. But I want to thank you all for tuning in here for Grayson County Weather. I'll let y'all know if I decide to jump back on here to give you all another live weather update. Broadcasting live from the Big Clifty, Kentucky. I'm Cutter Brock here with Grayson County Weather.